Today, I'm going to show you how to get a discount on Wix Premium website plans. Whether you're launching a new business site or upgrading an existing project, saving money on your subscription is always a smart move. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Take a moment here to make sure that the website or project you're viewing is the one you want to purchase a premium plan for. This is important because Wix allows you to manage multiple sites and you want to ensure you're upgrading the correct one. Now, from the dashboard, you might notice an offer appearing from time to time. Wix occasionally provides random added discounts directly on the dashboard, so it's worth checking if anything is available right away. However, these offers aren't always there, so let's move forward with the standard process. Head over to Wix's pricing plans by clicking on the Upgrade button located on the top side menu. This will take you to the main pricing page where all the premium options are displayed. From here, you'll see a list of all the available plans along with their features. Each plan is designed for different needs, whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a business website. If you're not sure which plan suits you best, click on Compare Plans. This will show you a side-by-side comparison between each plan, making it easier to see what features you're getting at each tier. Take your time reviewing this, as choosing the right plan can save you money in the long run. Once you've found and selected a plan that fits your needs, click on Select under the plan you wish to use. Next, you'll be taken to the billing cycle page. This is where you'll see the discount options available based on the subscription duration you choose. Typically, longer subscription periods like annual or multi-year plans come with bigger discounts compared to monthly billing. If you're looking for an even better deal, you might want to check back on a different day or week, as Wix offers random promotions for new subscribers. Alternatively, you can head to wix.com/promo-code/coupons to find a flat 10% discount on your subscription. This page often has active promo codes that you can use during checkout. Once you've selected your billing cycle, click on Continue to Checkout. On the checkout page, look for the link that says Enter Promo Code. Click on that link and a text box will appear where you can paste the promo code you found. After entering the code, the discount will be applied to your total and you'll see the new price reflected immediately. And that's it. You've successfully secured a discount on your Wix Premium plan, making your upgrade more affordable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.